Hello, everyone, and welcome to abaqusfm.com. If you are looking to master the finite element simulation of steel and composite structures in Abaqus, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce our steel structure analysis package in Abaqus, a comprehensive professional training program that includes 40 practical workshops designed for engineers, researchers, graduate students, and engineering professionals who want to develop advanced modeling skills through real-world structural engineering examples. You can see here, this is the overview. Steel structures are one of the most important structural systems used in modern engineering. They are widely applied in the high-rise buildings, industrial facilities, bridges, offshore structure, warehouses, stadium power plants, transmission tower, pipeline, and many other critical uh, critical structures. The popularity of the steel structure comes from their high strength to weight ratio, excellent ductility, rapid construction, durability, and outstanding seismic performance. However, accurately predicting their behavior under different loading conditions is not always straightforward. You can see here, and this is the package introduction here, and then we have the what you learn, and then the topics you can see here. Abaqus is one of the world's leading finite element software package for nonlinear structure analysis. It enables engineering to accurately simulate complex material behavior, contact interaction, geometrics, nonlinear geometrics, complex geometries, damage evolution, and structural failure under realistic loading conditions. This training package has been carefully developed to help you bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and professional engineering practice. Instead of teaching only the software command, this package focuses on how experienced engineers actually build reliable finite element model for research and industrial applications. The package contains 40 detailed workshops, each based on the practical engineering problem that you may encounter in research project, uh, consolidating a work or structural design. Throughout these workshops, you will learn how to model and analyze a wide range of a steel and composite structure. For instance, here in the first section, you will learn all about the steel beams. You will simulate a steel beam subjected to monotonic and cyclic loading, investigate the behavior of honeycomb beams, study beam strength technical using CFRP epoxy material, evaluate structural damage under repeated loading, and you will also learn how composite beam behave, for instance, like this here, like this here, or like this two here, uh, when still interact with conventional concrete, foam concrete, ultra performance concrete, fiber reinforced concrete. Several workshops focus on the profile steel deck composites like this. You can see uh, here, and the package also includes extensive training on the steel column here. You can see these are the steel column, some of the projects here. One of the most valuable section of the package focus on structural connection. Here you can see the structural connection, weld, bolt, any connections, and you will learn how to model bolted beam to column connections, welded joint steel angle connections, gusset plate connections, exposed base plates, semi-rigid connections, and advanced composite joints. Uh, and understanding the behavior of a structural connection is essential for designing safe and reliable steel structure, especially in seismic region where the ductility and energy dissipation are crucial. And you can see some other steel structure here. This is the X-frame here, base plate here, honeycomb, and here we have the steel structure as the frame. We will simulate steel buildings equipment like this here under cyclic loading, seismic loading, and also the package covered dynamic loading scenarios, including beam and dynamic failure of structure connection. In addition, we have some other as the corrosion and creep analysis of the steel pipes here. And during the training, you will gain experience with nonlinear material modeling, steel plasticity, concrete damage plasticity, contact interaction, bolt modeling, weld simulation, connector element, explicit dynamic step static analysis, buckling, post-buckling, cyclic loading, damage initiation, damage evolution, and failure investigation. And these are the list of the workshops in the model. It is 40, you can see. This package is suitable for civil engineer, structural engineers, mechanical engineer, offshore engineer, bridge engineers, and graduate student, PhD, researcher, university professor, and anyone interested in the mastering advanced structure simulation using Abaqus. Whether your goal is to conduct high quality academic research, validated experiment studies, improve your engineering skills, or solve challenging industrial problems, these workshops provide the practical experience needed to confidently build advanced finite element model. By completing this package, you will not only learn how to use Abaqus more effectively, but also develop deeper understanding of the structural behavior of a steel and composite system under realistic loading conditions. If you are ready to advance your finite element analysis skill and become uh, proficient in the simulation of a steel and composite structure, this package is an excellent resource for your learning journey. And at the end here, uh, we mentioned the included with every workshop CAE INP tutorial video codes and papers. And the payment, the price for this valuable package is 169 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies. Before payment, contact us through this email. Then we will answer your questions. If you have any method, we will be able there to answer that. For now, thank you for your attention.